Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. If you sell art, you probably have two kinds of work, one-of-a-kind originals, and prints that many buyers can own. In this short guide you'll set up a store that sells both, side by side, so no sale slips away. Let's list your first piece. Every piece you sell is its own listing. From your dashboard, open Products, then choose Add Product to start a fresh listing. You'll do this once for each original, and once for each print you offer. Give your original a clear, searchable name. Include the medium and that it is one of a kind, for example, Sunrise over the Bay, an original acrylic on canvas. A specific name helps the right collector find it. Now file it under a category, so it shows up when buyers browse or search for art. Pick the category that best fits the piece. This one step is how new visitors stumble onto your work. Set the price for your original. You can type it in the currency you think in, and Resogra saves it in US dollars automatically. Price an original for its true value, it is the only one that exists. Here is how prints sit right beside your originals. Create a second listing for a print, and switch on Downloadable to deliver it as an instant file, with no shipping and no stock to manage. Prefer physical prints you ship yourself? Leave this off and offer the sizes as options instead. When the listing looks right, click Create. Then repeat for your next piece. Originals priced as one of a kind, prints ready to sell again and again, all living side by side in one shop. And that's an artist's store built to sell both your originals and your prints. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.